Hello everyone, welcome to our very first class of AI. I am Isha and we are going to learn something very exciting. So, what is AI? AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. Don't worry, we are going to learn this in a very easy and interesting way. Are you ready? Great. So, before starting, what is artificial intelligence? Let's start with the word intelligence. Let's start with an example. If I ask you, like, can you solve a problem, a puzzle, is that intelligence? Yes. And if you can learn to ride a bicycle, is that intelligence? Yes. And can you remember your friend's birthday? Is that intelligence? Yes. So, what do we understand? Intelligence means using your brain to learn, understand, think, and solve things. Right? So, here's one more cool thing. Humans have intelligence, right? We can learn, we can think, we can solve things. Animals also understand us. They can also learn. So they also have intelligence. But do machine have intelligence? Interesting, right? Let's see. Imagine there's a fan, right? So if I switch on the fan, it starts. And if I switch off the fan, it stops. Does it think? No, right? It does not use its brain. One more example. Imagine you have a remote control car. If you press forward, it goes forward. If you press backward, it goes backward. So does it use its brain? No, right? So they are machines, but they are not smart. So we have understood intelligence. Now, what is artificial? Artificial is simple, something which is made by human. Anything which is made by human is artificial. We have learned the meaning of word intelligence. Also, we have learned the meaning of word artificial. We will now cover what is artificial intelligence. Imagine a machine that can listen to you, understand what you want, give answers, also learn from your behavior and make decisions. That's what we call AI, artificial intelligence. Artificial, something made by human, and intelligence means being smart. So artificial intelligence is equal to a machine that is made smart by humans. Simple, right? Let's understand this with a simple example. For example, when you ask Alexa to play your favorite music, what does it do? It plays your favorite song, right? So it listens, understands, and play your music. So is that intelligence? Yes, we have learned this is intelligence. Similarly, if you are playing Subway Surfer, there's a computer player that tries to beat you. What is that? It is an AI that is playing with you. One more example, when you're watching YouTube, it recommends you your favorite videos that you may like. So what does it do? It learns what you like and shows you good recommendation. It is also an AI. Easy, right? From these examples, are you curious to know how AI learns? Let me explain this in a very simple story. Let's say you are trying to draw a cat, but you are not able to do it. So your mother says, don't worry, practice more and suggest to improve the tail or ears or other things. And after 10 tries, you are better. Why? Because you learned from your practice. Machine also learn like this. They don't have brain, but they learn by examples. For example, you want AI to understand what is cat. So we will show them AI thousands of pictures of cat, and from each picture it will learn how cat looks, what is its tail look like and everything. And After so many learning, it will identify what is cat. So it learns by example. This is what we call machine learning. But we will understand this later. For now, just remember AI learns from example. But why do we need AI? Because AI helps us in so many ways. For example, AI can help doctors to identify disease faster. Some cars drive automatically and they even stop when there is danger. We use AI in that. We also have AI tutors. Overall, AI can make our life easier, faster, and maybe safer. Great class today. Before ending, I will give you a small activity. Now you know about AI machines. Look around your house and find me 3 machines that use AI. It could be anything. And write them in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like this video and come back again for the next class.